welcome to My Simple Life. My name is Dionne. Today's video is going to be about the December BoxyLuxe unboxing. Now, before we get into the video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And if you like a video on this look, please let me know. I was just running out to the post office and doing a little bit of Christmas shopping, and I decided to just throw this look together. But if you like, I will definitely go ahead and do a tutorial on this look. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. The box looks like this. It's a very big box. All right. And if you don't know what BoxyLuxe is, it is an upgraded subscription to the regular BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm you get every single month. It's a subscription for $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products in it. Now, every 3 months, there's this box, the BoxyLuxe, that you get. So we got one in December, so the next one will be in March, and then June, and so forth and so on. Now, like I said, the BoxyCharm, which is a smaller box, I'll insert a picture of what the regular BoxyCharm box looks like compared to this extra large box. Now, again, the BoxyCharm is every month, and it is $21 a month. Now, the BoxyLuxe is an upgrade to that BoxyCharm. Now, the BoxyLuxe is $28.99 on top of the $21 that you already pay monthly. But the $28.99 is only every 3 months. But you still have to pay the $21 too. So basically, you still get a box every single month, but every month you get the $21 box. The BoxyLuxe, the upgraded version, has 8 to 10 full-size products in it. And again, that's only 3 months. But this is my first upgraded one, so I'm so excited to go ahead and dig into it, because I've been BoxyCharm for a long time now. So for me to go ahead and upgrade, I'm very happy. So here we go. It hasn't been opened yet. See, it still has, you know, everything on here. All right, so right, so it looks like this. It looks like this. Shit. Okay, the paper fell out, but it comes packaged like this. Very cute, very nice. I like the way it comes. All right, so when you open the box, you saw, and it has the insert, and this has everything that is in the box. It tells you everything that's in the box. So this is oh, Tears the Season BoxyLuxe. It's real cute. And this tells you everything that's in the box, and it tells you the price of everything if you wanted to, you know, repurchase the products in the box. And so this is what's inside. So let's take a look. All right. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this, which is, let's see what it is. Like I said, I don't know. This is my first time getting the upgraded box, so I really have no idea what to expect, but I'm very happy, because I'm always happy with the regular BoxyCharm every month. I get a lot of my makeup from them, so, and I give a lot to my mother too. But anyway, this is what this is, and this appears to be wait a minute. Oh, it's a mini flat iron. Isn't that cute? I got natural hair, but you know, I do straighten it sometimes. I actually had hair past here. I'll see if I still have that picture, because I don't take a lot of pictures of my hair. But anyway, it was long, and I just got it cut 2 weeks ago into a layered bob. It's layered in the back, and I washed it since it's been cut the other day and did a little twist out, and I like it. It's cute. Anywho, all right. So anyway, this is really cute. This is a PYT mini flat iron, and let's see. This retails for let's see. Where is it? Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, the mini hair straightener. It retails for $75. $75. See, this one product is already more than what the cost of the box is. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. All right, so that is that. And the next thing I see is this Glam AF little wristlet. It's a little wristlet. And you can put makeup or whatever you want to put in here. Glam AF. That is so cute. So cute. Ooh, it has something in it. Crimes of Beauty. See that? Crimes of Beauty. What is it? Has a USB cord, whatever it is. And Crimes of Beauty. I'm completely at all because I have no idea what this is. Maybe if I read that directions. Let me see. Yeah, I believe I'm gonna have to read what this is because I'm serious. I have no idea. Crimes of Beauty. Does it say? Has a little thing. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out though because whatever it is, I'm happy and I'm thankful. I like it. Now I don't even. Okay, so I'll put this back. Crimes of Beauty. Hold on. Let me see. Android, iPhone. Is this a... Oh, is this like a portable charger? If so, this is nice. Charger digital device, USB wire connector. Yeah, I think this is a portable charger. That is so nice. Let me see if that's in here. Wristlet and portable charger. It says these two is $22. Value of $22. That's nice. I like that. I really like that. That's nice. That's nice. This is nice, man. Happy early Christmas to me. Okay. Next thing I see is this. What is this? Oh, Wondrous Dusk Till Dawn palette. Oh, it's a blush and highlighter palette. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at that. Those are pretty. Tails 4. $26. That is $26. Next thing. Okay, nothing else in this part. So we'll go here. This is the Elemis, I'm probably saying that wrong, Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles. Padina, I'm not even going to try to say that. Firm, smooth, and hydrates. Yeah, that's for somebody like me, because you know I'm getting up there in age, but that's another whole video. All right, so this goes for $89. $89. That means this is good. Shit gonna have me looking 20 again. Ah. Okay. Oh yeah. It looks expensive. Look at that. It looks expensive. That's nice. This is the Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer, which is $20. Oh, you open it up and you smell it right away. This is nice. Oh, this smells so good. But this is what it looks like. It smells so good. Oh, I need to take a shower right now, but I already took one. Plus, it's 11 o'clock at night, so I won't be doing it. Thing is, oh, the Luxe Complete Face Set which is a brush set, complete brush set. And this is, oh, and it's rose gold. $65 for this. All right. Nice, though. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Look at all those pretty brushes. Nice. I'm telling y'all, BoxyCharm, that's BoxyCharm. Like I said, if you can't afford to do the BoxyLuxe, definitely do the BoxyCharm. Again, 5 products, $21, and one product in the box costs more than the $21 for real. And then like I said, the BoxyLuxe is only 3 months. It's the $21 plus the $28.99 on top of that. So that month you're paying almost $50, but who cares? It's just every 3 months, whatever. But yeah, this is really, really cute. Oh, cute. Can't wait to use those. All right, and then, oh, and one more, oh, 2 more things. Oh, 3 more things. Okay, 3 more things. 3 more things in here. All right, and so let's go with this. This is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint, which is $20. The box looks like this. It's $20. Oh, that's cute. That's real cute. I'll wear this on New Year's. Yeah, baby. Anyway, and the next thing is the Lorac, what is this? Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. Looks like this. I love Lorac products. I got a lot of their palettes, and their colors are amazing, and they're so pigmented. But anyway, this Lorac is $24. So it is a primer and mascara. Okay, so all right, this is the, yeah, this has to be the primer, right? Yeah, primer, there's the blue. Put this on, and then you put the mascara. Very last thing they had at the bottom, very bottom, underneath everything, because I'm guessing this is probably what is the doozy and what everybody probably was. This is another palette. In the $21 box that you get every month, you do get a palette every month. I mean, some sort of palette comes every month, and usually you get some brushes, you may get some lashes. You get good full-size products. But again, this one is more, so you're gonna get more expensive stuff. But yeah, this is Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadows, and this is $45. So basically the let me see, the mini straightener for $75 and the Pro Collagen for $89. 2 most expensive thing. I kind of like that that gloss. Where's my scissors? My scissors. My scissor, oh, okay. All right. I should tear the box, but I'm not keeping it in the box anyway. Put it in my palette holder. Shoot. I'm gonna break my damn nail. Okay. And this is what the outside looks like. The back, my holy grail. This packaging is pretty. Oh my Lord Jesus, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And these are like earthy tones. I love it. Shimmers, mattes. Oh, these is nice. Look at this, and it got a big mirror in it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And then look at these colors. OMG. Oh, I can't wait to play. That's it. So, you know, if you can, definitely subscribe to BoxyCharm. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.